Where did Hello World come from and why did it catch on? The first part I have vague memories, and the second part I have no idea at all. My memory of it is a cartoon or something like that that showed a chick coming out of an egg, and the caption was Hello World. That's my memory, but I've told this story enough times that it probably is, at this point, a hallucination. I simply don't know, but that's the idea, and so you can use something like that as the first example in a programming language, because if you can print Hello World, then you're over some hurdle. And then the rest of it is filling in more and more details to get the program to do something more interesting. So that's my memory of it. Is that the real origin, or did I get that from somebody else? So Martin Richard, the creator of BCPL, had somewhere or other done a Hello World kind of thing himself, and he and I traded mail about it once or something, and he quite graciously said, no, I think you did it first, or words to that effect. I honestly don't know, but if somebody said, no, here's Martin Richards, I would say great. It is now sort of standard because an awful lot of people learned programming back in the day. It started with the C book, or at least that was their first introduction to C for sure, and so yes, Hello World was a good example because of that.